Picture this, you in your favorite loungewear with a steaming cup of coffee making money without stepping out your front door. Sounds like a dream? Well, let's turn that into your 2024 reality. Hello, digital dynamos and online opportunity seekers. Today we're diving deep into the virtual goldmine of 2024. We're talking fresh, innovative, and totally doable methods to fatten your wallet from the comfort of your own home. We're not just rehashing the same old make money online spiel. Oh no, we're hitting the refresh button with the latest ways to earn that are perfect for the here and now. The brave new world of 2024. I've sifted through trends, spoken with digital economy experts, and even tried out these methods myself. Trust me, when it comes to making bank online, I've got the scoop. Let's take a moment to appreciate how the online space has evolved. We're looking at more gig platforms, enhanced AI services, and explosion in remote work, all shaping new pathways for earning moolah online. We'll discuss the current trends in the digital workplace and how they've opened up a slew of opportunities. We're not just talking about gigs and freelancing, we've leveled up with some pretty groundbreaking stuff. Remember, making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about skill, persistence, and keeping up with the times. So buckle up, assess your skills, and let's dive in with an open mind and a will to learn. First up, gig platforms. They've been around, but 2024's platforms are not your run-of-the-mill marketplaces. We're looking at more specialization, more AI matching, and some really cool niche services popping up. What are these platforms? How do they work? How do you stand out? We'll break it all down, from setting up killer profiles to securing that first gig. Here's where I'll share insider secrets on how to maximize earnings on these platforms, including leveraging analytics, social proof, and networking strategies that will make you the go-to pro in your niche. Digital products are the craze, and for good reason. We're talking ebooks, courses, art, anything that's digital and sellable. How do you create a digital product that sells? We'll cover pinpointing your expertise, designing your product, and the art of digital marketing in 2024. This isn't just theory. We'll bring in real-world examples of people who've turned their knowledge and skills into a lucrative stream of passive income. Get ready to be inspired. Think flipping is just for real estate? Think again. We'll explore how savvy online entrepreneurs are making a killing by flipping websites, domain names, and even online businesses. I'll also introduce you to the world of micro-investing and how it's opening doors to the stock market, cryptocurrencies, and more for everyone with a phone and a few spare dollars. Learn key strategies for assessing value, identifying up-and-comers, and minimizing risk while investing online. It's about being smart and strategic with your hard-earned cash. Whether you're a lifestyle blogger, an artist, or a tech reviewer, your online presence is gold. We'll delve into how to build and monetize your personal brand to attract sponsorships and ad revenue. It's all about engagement. Find out how to captivate your audience, grow your followers, and leverage every like, share, and comment to boost your online earnings. Partnering up can mean a big payday. Learn the ins and outs of collaborations, affiliate marketing, and other networking strategies that can amplify your earning potential exponentially. Wow, we've covered a ton. Gig platforms, digital products, flipping, investing, cultivating an online presence. It's a lot to take in, but each one of these could be your ticket to financial freedom. Remember, folks, this is about planting seeds today so you can reap the financial rewards in 2024 and beyond. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start planting. If you're pumped and ready to jump on these opportunities, hit that subscribe button, share this video with fellow moneymakers, and let's crush those online money-making goals together. Before you go, I'll drop some bonus tips, little tweaks you can make that could potentially skyrocket your online earnings. Plus, I'll share a list of my go-to resources. Think of it as your personal toolkit for making serious bank in the online world. You've got this. The online earning universe is vast and generous for those willing to explore it. So gear up and let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet.